Hey everyone, welcome back to Natural Home Remedy. Today, we're going to talk about a game changer in oral hygiene, a natural, homemade mouthwash that combines the power of lemongrass and coconut oil. Say goodbye to harsh, alcohol-based mouthwashes and hello to a refreshing, effective, and eco-friendly alternative. But before we dive into the recipe, let's explore why lemongrass and coconut oil are the perfect ingredients for a natural mouthwash. Lemongrass, a tropical plant known for its citrusy aroma, is packed with antimicrobial properties. It contains citrul, a compound that has been shown to effectively combat bacteria and fungi responsible for oral issues like bad breath, tooth decay, and gum inflammation. By incorporating lemongrass into your mouthwash, you're harnessing nature's power to keep your mouth clean and healthy. Now, let's talk about coconut oil. This versatile ingredient has gained popularity in recent years due to its numerous health benefits, including its positive impact on oral health. Coconut oil is a natural whitening agent, helping to remove stains and brighten your smile. It also contains lauric acid, a medium-chain fatty acid with antimicrobial properties that can help reduce plaque buildup and prevent tooth decay. By combining these two powerhouse ingredients, you'll create a mouthwash that not only freshens your breath but also promotes overall oral health. So, let's get started with the recipe. Here's what you'll need. 1 cup of water. 2 tablespoons of fresh lemongrass, finely chopped. 2 tablespoons of organic, cold-pressed coconut oil. A few drops of peppermint essential oil, optional, for added freshness. Instructions. 1. In a small saucepan, bring the water to a boil. 2. Add the chopped lemongrass to the boiling water and reduce the heat to low. 2. Let it simmer for 10 minutes to allow the lemongrass to infuse into the water. 3. Remove the saucepan from the heat and strain the mixture through a fine mesh sieve to remove the lemongrass pieces. 4. Allow the lemongrass-infused water to cool down to room temperature. 5. Once cooled, pour the infused water into a glass jar or bottle. 6. Add the coconut oil to the jar and, if desired, a few drops of peppermint essential oil for an extra burst of freshness. 7. Secure the lid and shake the jar vigorously for about 30 seconds to ensure the ingredients are well combined. Your lemongrass coconut oil mouthwash is now ready to use. To use, give the jar a gentle shake to mix the ingredients, then swish about a tablespoon of the mouthwash around in your mouth for 30 seconds to a minute. Be sure to pull the mouthwash through your teeth and swish it around all areas of your mouth. Spit it out and rinse with water if desired. For best results, use this mouthwash twice a day, preferably after brushing your teeth in the morning and before bed. Not only is this mouthwash effective and refreshing, but it's also eco-friendly and cost-effective. By making your own mouthwash, you're reducing plastic waste from store-bought bottles and saving money in the long run. Plus, you can customize this recipe to your liking by adjusting the amount of lemongrass or coconut oil, or even adding other natural ingredients like tea tree oil or aloe vera for their additional oral health benefits. Give this lemongrass coconut oil mouthwash a try and experience the difference in your oral hygiene routine. Your mouth will feel clean, fresh, and healthy, and you'll have the satisfaction of knowing you're using a natural, homemade product. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Natural Home Remedy for more natural health and wellness tips. And if you have any questions or suggestions for future videos, leave them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and until next time, take care and stay natural.